Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good to see you all. Today's going to be another Pokemon drawing and I'm going to paint it with watercolours. I've had a look through my Pokemon card collection and I figured I'm going to take some inspiration from that. I hope it goes alright. I'm just going to do this quickly as an introduction because no one wants to hear me waffle on. Have a look at the video and I will see you guys just after. So there it is, Bellsprout chasing Litleo off his land. Get out of it, son. Litleo would normally turn around and beat the crap out of this guy, but it's Pokemon, and I'm imagining that Bellsprout's pretty angry. Look, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This particular picture, as cute as it is and as colourful as it is, I'm not particularly happy with this. This is one that I must admit I wished I'd done something else, or I'd done more content for you, because I feel I lost my way with the painting a little bit. The drawing was okay, but I forgot the rules of watercolours, and I forgot to implement different techniques in the painting. So this to me looks very, very amateurish and very, very childish, but it's a lesson learned. I used different paper. The paints were the same as the ones I've been using, but the paper was a different type of watercolour paper to the one I used previously. Now the paint took differently to this paper. It sat differently. The wash, the colour, the actual vibrancy of it was a little different. And I kind of just rushed it. And I must learn to be patient. So dissecting my work today could be better, as your teacher would say on your report card. It's one of those things. But still, if you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel. If you thought it was a nice picture, then let me know that it was good. If you thought it was a bit naff like I did, then let me know that it was naff, basically. But until the next one, I'm going to maybe step onto some other types of art and revisit some drawings and some pencil work. But until the next video, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay clean, stay happy. And I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.